This is your final notice to be able to terminate your loan or lease early, regardless of make or model, with the loan and lease termination program at Kelsey Chevrolet. For the
Don't ever fucking play with me. Y'all niggas know, y'all bitches know I'm the fucking queen. You hoe bitches know. You dirty bum bitches know. Got the strings on them. Woke up, the price of coke up. Low cut, then call my folks. Poked up, go call a tow truck. Took it out your neck, might just get your dope.